Good evening to you all. Now we are going to see Ogle approximation method in the transportation problem. Markets and factories are given. Market X, Y, Z. Factories A, B, C, D. Supply and demand. Supply is the value is 7, 12, 4 and as availability 10, 8, 5, 6. So these are given problem. Then solve to Ogle approximation method. By using Ogle approximation method, solve the transportation problem. So first we check whether the problem is balanced or unbalanced. So first, which is here is supply and this is one demand. So 7 plus 12 plus 4 is 23. 10 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6 is 29. Therefore, summation Bj is equal to 23 and summation Dj sublet the total value of sum of the supply value is 29. Therefore, supply and demand is not equal. Therefore, summation Bi not equal to summation Bj. Therefore, the given problem is unbalanced. So now check it. The given problem X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 1, 6, 4, 3 and 3, 5, 4. These are supply 10, 8, 5, 6. This is demand 7, 12, 4. The total value of this is 29, this is 23. Okay, so how to change the problem is balance. Now we are introducing the dummy column D. Now we are introducing dummy column D, then so that the problem becomes a balance. So X, Y, Z. The column we should introduce one dummy column D. Okay. Similar, the row is A, B, C. Factories are same only. What are they given? 4, 3, 2. Then Tamil is 0, 5, 6, 1, 0. Then 6, 4, 3, 0. Then 3, 5, 4, 0. So we introduce one dummy column. That column full of element is 0. Okay. So what are the givens here? Supply value is 10, 8, 5, 6. Here demand or supply demand equal to 7, 12, 4. How much it is slag? So 29 minus 23, we get 6 alone. So now we check it. 7 plus 12 plus 4 plus 6, 29. So here supply and demand equal to 29, so that the given problem is balanced. Now using Ogle approximation method, here we can find row difference and column difference of the given cost matrix. Okay, so first this is the row difference. Choose first row A. Okay, so take the two least number. So here two least number 0 and 2. Okay, so consecutive to least number 0 and to the 2 least number. What the difference? So this is 2. Okay, therefore this is row difference. Row difference. So row difference of first row is 2. Similarly, the second row is what? Second row is taking the two least 0 and 1. The difference is 1. Again, third row, what? 0 and 3. What's the difference? 3. And fourth row, 0 and 3. Okay, here 3. Okay, similarly, we can find column difference also. Okay, here find column difference. So choose least 2. Here 3 and 4 the two least. What is the difference here? 1. Again this column 3, 4, 1. This column 1, 2, 1. This column 0, 0 only. So from the difference, row difference, column difference, compare which one is most highest. So here 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 2, 1, 3, 3. So take 2, 3 is available. So choose any one of these 3. Okay. So now choose these 3 now. Okay. From this 3 we choose this row. Which one is least? 0 is the least. Just choose 0. What is the availability here? 6. 6. Okay. Now we are put 6 here. We get 0. We get 0. Okay now. So now we cancel this in row. Okay. So sorry, column. And similarly row also cancel. Either 2 or 0. No. Okay, so now we again find out the least. Next, similarly row 2, 3. What is the difference? 1. Again second row 1, 5. Which one is difference? 4. Again 3, 4, 1. Okay, this is finished. Tick. Okay. Similarly this one. Which one is least? 1. Similarly this 1 and similarly this 1. So here compare this 1, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1. Which one is most highest one? 4 is the highest. Choose. So this row only choose. Which one is least? Forecast matrix 1. So here 4 availability, here 8. So we give 4 for this, which is 0. This is remaining 4. So this column will be reduced. So again find the difference. So again 4, 3. What's the difference? 1, 6, 5, 1, 6, 4, 2. Finished. Here 4, 5, 1, 4, 3, 1. Okay. So which is 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. So here 2. 2 is the highest one. So from this row 4 is the least number. So here 12 is available, here 5. So choose 5 for 4. So 5 minus 12 we get 7. 0. So this we cancelled. Again this 2 cross 2 only balanced. So what's the difference for 1? Here also 1. Again 1. Here is a 3. Here 1. Here 3. Choose 1. 1. So 3 is the most highest. So least one 3. So 7 availability. Put 7 for 3. Here 0. Is remaining 3. Okay, so this column will be cancelled. So remaining 4, 5. These two cell only balanced. Here availability is 7. Here also 3, 4, 3 plus 4, 7. So 3 for this cell and 4 for this cell. So 3 for this and 4 for this. 3 plus 4, 7, 0, 0. So all of the values are we get 0. So now we are number of basic cells. Number of basic feasible cells எவ்வளோ m plus n minus 1, that is 7. M equal to 4, n equal to 4. Now x11 equal to 3, x12 is equal to 7, x21 is equal to 4, x23 is equal to 4, x32 is equal to 5, and 4. x4 1, choose one epsilon for this epsilon, and x44 is equal to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay now, so epsilon is near to 0, so 7 cell is there. So find the total cost. Total cost is equal to 3 into 4. 3 into 4 plus 7 into 3 plus 4 into 5, 4 into 5 plus 4 into 1 plus 5 into 4, 5 into 4 plus epsilon into 3 plus 6 into 0. So 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21, 4 5s are 20, 4 5 4s are 20, and 0 plus 0. So 4 0 4 5 7 2 4 6 7. Yes, therefore total cost is rupees 77. That's all the problem. So from the Vogel approximation method we find column difference, row difference. That is important for this method. Thank you very much.